Tonight, the annual fall meeting for U.S. Catholic bishops is in full swing, meeting virtually for the first time this year due to COVID concerns. The USCCB General Assembly elected chairmen for various committees and discussed the bombshell Vatican report on Theodore McCarrick. Correspondent Mark Irons joins us now with more. Mark?
Tracy, in the wake of that McCarrick report, a message for the victims of clergy abuse from the president of the USCCB, Archbishop Jose Gomez, who is calling for the elimination of the scourge of abuse from the church.
I would like us to pause to remember all our brothers and sisters who are victims or survivors of clergy sexual abuse. In light of the Holy See's report on Theodore McCarrick, we again want to express our deep sorrow and pray that they might find healing and hope. Let us also renew our commitment today to protecting children and vulnerable adults.
The bishops had an extended discussion on the findings of the McCarrick report, and were also scheduled to receive an update from the National Review Board on practices and policies on the prevention of sexual abuse. There are other challenges facing the church. Today, the bishops heard an address from the Vatican Ambassador to the U.S., Apostolic Nuncio Archbishop Christophe Pierre.
As an Episcopal Conference, you are acutely aware of the challenges and have addressed them, including migration, racism, abortion. But how could the response be more effective? What the Holy Father suggests is moving from seeing someone as a neighbor to viewing them as a brother or sister.
Also tonight, the results are in after the bishops cast their votes via mail-in ballots. Today, the USCCB announced the chairs of various committees. Monsignor Jeffrey Burrill is named General Secretary-elect for the USCCB. Archbishop of New York, Cardinal Timothy Dolan, will be the new chairman for religious liberty. And the chair-elect to the Committee on Pro-Life Activities is Archbishop of Baltimore, William Lori. And tomorrow, the bishops will announce results from voting on 3 action items. Those include the approval of a strategic plan for the USCCB for the next 3 years, the reauthorization of an ad hoc committee against racism, and a 2021 budget. Tracy.
Okay, thank you so much, Mark. Correspondent Mark Irons reporting for us tonight.